Welcome everyone to another episode of the journey through apostolic succession. Acts 6:6 says, "They had this man stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid hands on them." We see that apostolic authority is transferred by the laying on of hands, also called as ordination. This authority has transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the church has grown. Today we hear about the 75th Pope in apostolic succession, Pope Eugene I. He lived during very difficult times and was canonized, that is, declared as a Catholic saint. He was known for his charity, his gentleness, and his steadfastness. Some interesting facts. He became a cleric in the Catholic Church at a very early age and dedicated his life at the service of the Church. Pope Eugene I's election to papacy came under very unusual circumstances. His predecessor, Pope Martin I, was still alive but living in exile as a prisoner of Emperor Constans II for refusing to submit to their demand for him to accept Monothelitism. Later, in a letter of September 655, Martin acknowledged Eugene to be the legitimate pope. He is commemorated as the patron and namesake of the Cathedral of St. Eugene in the Diocese of Santa Rosa in California. Some of his contributions. Emperor Constans insisted that Eugene submit to the conditions that Martin had refused to accept as soon as he assumed his new position. These included accepting Monothelites with tolerance and recognizing Peter as the Patriarch of Constantinople. Pope Martin I had resisted these very demands despite threats to roast him alive alongside his Roman backers. Pope Eugene I was also threatened to be exiled if he didn't agree with the conditions, just like Martin. Pope Eugene I consecrated 21 bishops to serve throughout the world during his time as a pope. Feast and death. Pope St. Eugene I is buried in St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. His feast day is June 2nd. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and please stay tuned for the next episode of the journey through apostolic succession. Please like, share, subscribe, and share the word to everyone around you. For Christ and for the Church. God bless you.